Hi everyone! Welcome to this video where Rehnstrom is going to answer another question related to business excellence. In this video, the question is, why do so many IT projects fail? Why do so many IT projects fail?
First of all, we need to understand what an IT project is. IT projects can be divided into two rough parts. The first one is a project that is done on the initiative from the IT department. It could be to update a database, install a new operating system, update some hardware and so on. The second one is a project that is initialized by the business. That is the need to install a new functionality in order to perform some tasks that the business needs to. It can also be updated an existing system in order to get updated or new functionality. Here I think that the interesting thing is to talk about the second type of IT project, the one that is initiated by the business.
Okay, but why does those projects fail then?
First of all, there is a misunderstanding what a project really is. A project is something that needs to be done in a certain amount of time and with a limited amount of money. And that's something that is going to be done that must be well described, and it is going to be done with a temporary team of people. That misunderstanding means that there's a lot of work is done, and it's called a project, but it's not set up as a real project, and that gives the work done a bad chance of succeeding.
What else is there?
The second part is that the business side does not have a clear picture of their demands. If someone needs to know about the demands, it is the business side. The IT people within or outside the organization does not know what you need and what is best for you. You should of course listen to them as they have a lot of experience, but it's always you who must have the clear picture of what you want.
How do I accomplish that?
This is interesting, as I've been working for more than 25 years close to implementation of IT systems, first as a system developer and then as a project manager and business analyst. I find that many businesses do not know what they want, and as they do not, they actually rely on the IT people to tell them. The IT people have experience from many types of organizations and many different businesses, but they can only give you advice. You and your business need to understand the flow of activities that create the value for your customers. That is what is called processes. You should not implement functionality that does not give any value, direct or indirect, to your customers. And to succeed in that, you need to understand what creates that value.
How do I understand the value creation?
This actually is a subject for another video, but I can tell you this in some short words, that you need to map out what you do today and find the IT components that you use in different activities. Then you need to optimize the process flow and find out what functionality you really need. I see so many organizations that do not see their process flow from end to end and only have an operational system that supports their unit, department, division, or whatever their form of organization is called.
Do you say that an organization has its own operational system and that is the problem?
Yes, exactly that. Every type of organization have their system, and many of them do not talk to other systems at all. That is because they do not see the end-to-end process flow, and also because they have never talked to the other organizations involved about how to work together, especially with their operational systems. If the organizations would understand that they are only a part of a larger flow of activities, then they could start to understand the holistic view of the need of operational systems. Then, after gaining that knowledge and understanding, they could be in a position to see the correct demands for implementing operational systems. That would further lead to the right setup of an IT projects that have a much larger chance to succeed in reaching their goals and giving the business what they really need.
But they still need to understand the basics about what a project is.
Yes, they must not forget the basics about how to set up and lead a project in order to reach their goals.
How can they get more info about that?
I will of course urge them to find more information on my website matsrehnstrom.com, where I have trainings for both process development and project management. And there is also a ton of more free and inspiring material that will help people in their search for business excellence.